Hello my people, in today's video I'm going to show you how to upload a project on GitHub. I hope you've been well. Let's get to it. Remember to subscribe, to share and to make this video go viral.
Ways to upload a project on GitHub, but today I'm going to show you how to use the command line interface. We're going to use git bash to upload our project on GitHub. There is a video I made about introduction to HTML. It is on this channel. You can go and watch it. And on the desktop here is the folder for that project. So we are going to upload this project on GitHub. So first thing is to make this folder a Git repository. We are going to navigate and go inside this folder known as HTML projects, and it is on the desktop, so we will use these commands to go there. So now we are on the desktop where we have several folders. We will navigate to, you can show the list of the folders on the desktop. As you can see, they have been displayed. So what we are interested is in this project. We are interested in this one. It's still on it. Yeah, now we are in. We'll do git init. Now it is a git repository. You can do git add. Then git commit. So let's make some changes here and learn how to use VSCODE to upload our folder on GitHub. So let's say we've made the code to have 2 images. Just opening with live server. We have 2 images. Now we want to upload the code to GitHub. Go to this icon, click on it, then come here to place labeled changes, click the plus sign, add a message. This message will be visible on GitHub. Our second commit, then click here. Okay, public. Okay. It's our first time to use this VSCODE to upload code to GitHub. Therefore, a sign-in will be required. Okay. agreed to do that. So we are being asked if we should make our project public or private. I'll do private. Let me confirm what's happening. As you can see, our project has been uploaded on GitHub. So let's see what has happened to it. As you can see, the first commit was made 11 minutes ago, and our second commit was made 3 minutes ago. So that's how you upload using VS or using Git Bash. There is also another method where you just add your files. You click upload and you upload the files and you're good to go. So thank you for watching.